Hi there, this is also DCC Trainer LC, multi-chain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today, guys, real quick review of that gorgeous locomotive. I finished it completely, adjust all parameters. It was really tough because the motor section in the tender and the boiler wheels just freely moving. So the main adjustment of this couple of CVs, and I use Lock Programmer because by manual it's almost very tough to do. So I milled the frame. That was very tough part because reproduce that engine almost impossible. They discontinued it a while ago. It's Rocco all days, so its factory at that time was in Salzburg, and I'm not sure when they're going to manufacturing more of this. So I was very careful to work on this. So I dig to my collection and found very cool Soviet Union car to run it, and I am using also Deutsche Reichsbahn car. It says kind of inspection of 67, but I think they still running from Second World War. Usually I'm testing to show guys how everything's working here with the touch cabin. It's very cool too. As you can see, also over there I have like European 2 weeks installation, nice TGV by Kato. Okay, let's focusing on that gorgeous engine. I just want to focusing on LEDs, headlights and rear lights, and that turns very nice. Couple of tries I tried to use individual LEDs, then finally I found a way to proper distribute the light through original light paths, and very happy about it. Thanks for watching and supporting business. Have a good one. Bye.